guys, here's how I do a loot quest. I think this is the most efficient way to get the best rewards. I only do it with one person, and I make sure that one of us two has it on for rewards and the other one has turned off rewards. So this time I will create the team. I will send the invite to my friend who I've already asked to join me, which is Lori. Lori will apply. I can't accept you, Chow. I'm sorry, because I'm doing this way. Hopefully Lori will apply. In the meantime, I will send my troops. There we go. She has applied. I've approved her. I gotta wait for her troops to come in. The reason I do it with just me and a friend who's doing it not for rewards is because then we will always win the dice game. The person who's doing it for rewards will always win the dice game and get that reward. And then I repay the favor by going with Lori on hers. And she will always get that reward. I just realized that I'm in the middle of nowhere and Lori's going to be marching a long time to come to me. She used speed ups, thank God. She's a good friend. She did that for me. All right, so she has troops deployed. I have troops deployed. We're good to go. I'm going to push go. It tells me my team's not at full capacity because we don't have 5 people. That's fine. You want to get the best of the dice game. See how her tickets, it shows 0 out of 1? That's how you know that she didn't use a ticket. You could take 4 people with you who aren't using tickets, and it would work out the same thing. Now here's our team going. We're going to server 824. So if you want to see what server you're on, it's pretty easy. You go here, search 824, done, go. And you can see how many people there are that can kill you there. We'll go see. Hopefully we survive. Lori's very confident in our abilities. So it's going to go into an exploring stage first, then it's going to let you make a choice. I'll choose this one. It's a dice game, which is awesome because, again, Lori's not doing it with rewards, so I'm the only person rolling. It doesn't matter what I roll, I get the grand prize. And she's very happy for me because she's my friend. The defense time is when people could be attacking you, and then there'll be an exploration time, and then the next round begins. So, again, if I had 5 people, or if I had 2 people that were doing it with rewards, both of them, then whoever rolled the higher number on the dice would have gotten that reward. This way, you're guaranteed to get it on your turn, and then when I go with Lori, she's guaranteed to get it on her turn, which is pretty awesome. I always pick the first box. I don't know why. That's just what I do. And it sometimes works, sometimes doesn't, but I feel like being consistent, I'll get some good luck and some bad luck. Hopefully. Also, guys, I have a separate video on finding raiders on your server. It's not easy to do, but at least it shows you what they look like on the map so you can try to find them faster and attack them, and you get some rewards when you attack somebody who is raiding on your server. So that is good too. Here, let's pick this one this time. Alright, it's one of the boxes I open. Again, I always pick the first one. That time it stinks. Too bad. All good. All good. Now we're on defense. Yep, just what everyone needs. Purple shards, because we all have to level up all these purple heroes that we have. Nonetheless, another thing, you can always click rewards and see what you've gotten so far. Tech comes in when you get tech. Battle reports will work after you've had a fight. Let's see what Lori picks. Alright, another chest to unlock. Here we go. Another 2 purple. Just what I need. I have 4 purple shards today, so I guess I'm ready to use the merge chests. The countdowns kind of stink, but overall, I think Loot Quest for a minimal amount of effort, about 10 minutes worth, gives you pretty good rewards, and that's why I like it as an event. You should use all your tickets you can each weekend. Go back up here. Okay, pin code game. Pin code game, it gives each person some of the numbers, but not others. So you type them in like this. Oops, I forgot. 6, yep. And so Lori gave me the 0 I need. Hit 0, hit OK. You get the best of the rewards. Yay. If you don't decrypt it for some reason, like your friend fell asleep or whatever and you couldn't get the code, that happens. Also, the person who's playing not for reward should still enter the code because it saves you time. Otherwise, it sits on that screen for 60 seconds. Please don't do that. I don't want to see anybody sitting there staring at the screen for 60 seconds. We're already up to turn 6, so that's good. Let's see, what games haven't we had yet? We haven't had the Starship game, which is basically you fight the starship. And Dice Game. Dice Game's the best. If you get Dice Game, you're aces. Doesn't matter what I roll. I could roll a 1. I rolled a 63, but 5,000 Indinium. Nothing wrong with that. Got it. That's good. And then, nobody seems to have wanted to find us on the server yet. Or they found us and didn't want to attack us. I don't know. They could just be really nice people and they're like, go ahead and loot on our server. There is a overall server score that comes into this, so I think the more loot quests you go on, the better for your server, and the more raiders you kill, the better for your server, but that remains to be seen. This is the one where you open the chest again. Please don't be purple. Alright, that's okay. Not the best, but still okay. So we're almost through it here. 3 more rounds to go. Lori says she's Eeyore, but she always, when it comes to me, she helps me see the bright side of things, my buddy. Let's see what she picks here. Alright, more chests. Back to back. Couple rounds to go. Interesting that no one's found us. Usually you get found sometime during your run. But this has been a successful one. So far, so good. Let's go up here. Oh no. The nothing. Now, people have told me this is how you get an artifact too, that every now and then, like 1 in a million, you'll get the artifact in here. I don't know. I've always gotten nothing. Still, we got some good stuff already. We can upgrade our formations. Once this run is done, I will then do the unrewarded. And to do unrewarded, it's a simple, right next to where you send your troops and stuff, there's a box where you can click or unclick for rewarded or unrewarded. Thank you, Lori, for getting me one last dice game so I could get this chest. And so now I'll be unrewarded next time, and I will help Lori so she can win all the dice games. It's a good way to help your friend, be friends, and do good. That's the end of it. Now I think once this timer goes by, it's going to send us home. Yep, we're packing, so that takes about 30 seconds, whatever it is, 25 seconds. And then you will go home. Guys, I make this content, to try to help you guys understand things. Hopefully you enjoy it. If you do, please like, please subscribe. That really helps me. I know it's not, the first thing you think of, but it really helps me, so please try to do it. Thank you. All right, guys, we're marching home, so I'm going to sign off here. Cookie out.